It's 2:14 p.m. on a Tuesday, and your brain is officially running on 1% battery. You're staring at an unread email like it's advanced calculus.
You drank 2 cold brews before 10 a.m., but now? Pure brain fog. You're basically a glorified zombie typing "per my last email." Y'all keep falling for the caffeine trap. Chugging coffee the second you open your eyes is straight up sabotage. I'm about to give you 3 $0 morning hacks that'll give you insane focus without relying on liquid anxiety. Hack number 1, stop drinking coffee 30 seconds after waking up. I know, don't scream at me yet. Here's the science tea. While you sleep, your brain builds up a chemical called adenosine. Think of it as sleepy biological dust. When you wake up, your brain needs about 90 minutes to naturally sweep that sleep dust out of your system. If you chug caffeine immediately, it doesn't clean the dust. It just slaps a temporary blindfold over it. Then at 2 p.m., the caffeine wears off, the blindfold snaps, and that leftover sleep dust hits your brain at once. That's the afternoon crash, the cheat code. Wait 90 minutes after waking up before taking your first sip. Let your natural body chemistry do its thing first. You'll stay locked in all day, 0 jitters. I know you're addicted to your little morning ritual, bro, but trust me, delaying it changes everything. No 2 p.m. headache, no craving a $9 matcha at 3 p.m., just steady, unbothered energy. It costs literally $0 and saves you from looking like a zombie during your afternoon Zoom calls. Set a timer on your phone tomorrow morning. 90 minutes. That's the rule. Hack number 2, the morning flush. You aren't tired when you wake up, you're literally a dehydrated raisin. You just went 8 hours without a single drop of water while breathing out moisture all night. Your brain literally shrinks slightly when dehydrated, which causes that gross, heavy morning fog. Don't just drink plain water. Add a tiny pinch of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. I'm not telling you to drink seawater, calm down. Just a tiny pinch for essential electrolytes. Electrolytes act like electrical conductors for your brain cells. It's like jump-starting a dead car battery. And do not check TikTok or Instagram before drinking this water. That's rule number 1, bro. Checking your notifications in bed fries your dopamine baseline before you even get out of pajamas. Drink 16 ounces of salt water first, then go get your bag. Instant main character energy. Why buy a $4 sugar-filled energy drink when basic water and salt work 10 times faster? Do this for 3 days straight and tell me you don't feel like you unlocked a literal cheat code. Your mental processing speed goes up immediately. No jittery hands, no heart pounding. Put a glass of water on your nightstand tonight so you don't have an excuse tomorrow. Hack number 3, the physiological sigh. This is the ultimate reset when you feel totally unfocused. 2 quick inhales through the nose and 1 long, dramatic exhale out the mouth. Repeat that sequence just 3 times. It takes 15 seconds, literally 0 effort, guys. This pops open tiny air sacs in your lungs and instantly dumps trapped carbon dioxide out of your bloodstream. It tricks your nervous system into thinking you're completely safe, dropping your heart rate instantly. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, distracted, or ready to give up on your work, do this breath hack. It clears brain fog faster than taking a double espresso shot without any of the weird jitters. Stanford neuroscientists tested this. You're getting elite-level biohacks for free on your phone. You don't need fancy supplements, Red Bull, or crazy morning routines that take 3 full hours, bro. Delay coffee, drink salt water,
Do the double breath. That's the holy trinity right there.
Do all three together tomorrow morning and watch your daily focus go straight to God mode. No more 2 p.m. brain death. No more staring at blank screens. Pure, unadulterated productivity. Here's my challenge for you. Try these 3 simple cheat codes for just 3 days straight. Drop a comment right now telling me if you're brave enough to delay your morning coffee tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next Real Talk Daily Life Upgrade. Stop letting caffeine run your life, stay hydrated, and lock in. Thanks for watching, go slay your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.